Assalamualaikum. So this is week 23. Let's look at the answer for previous lesson. So for B, what type of text do you have to write? Okay, you need to write an email. Or you need to write an email to your. You need to write an email there. So what will it be about? Okay, pasal apa? It should be what people do in your country to protect the planet. Okay, what people do in your country to protect the planet. People do it to help around the world. Okay, so number 3, what does your friends need? Information about what people do to protect the planet in your country. So I want to write about what people do in your country. So that's the answer for number 3. Will it be formal or informal? Of course it will be informal because this is an email to your friend. Okay, read the example email again and write true or false. If you read the example here, let's look at. Okay, number 1, likes the person she's writing to. That one is true. Number 2, has not written about the environment. This one is false. Number 3, describe an event in the past. This is true. And then the last one, give information about what people have to protect the animal. This one is true also. Okay, D. Okay, this is how you usually need to write your AC. Paragraph number 1, this one, friendly opening, asking about the reader. That's usually what we write in paragraph number 1 in an email to a friend. And then paragraph number 2 will be A for this one, information about things people do to help protect the planet. Paragraph number 3 will be B, information about the environment. And then paragraph number 4 will be C, friendly ending with informal expressions. So your question last time is to do this. I asked you guys to do research before writing your email. So before, I just want to show you an example of email that have been written. So this is example of email. You can pause the video and read through the example. Okay, this is how you can write a good email to a friend. It sounds friendly, it is informal, and it has information that needed. Alright, so pause the video, read it for a while. Okay, I hope you have done. Let's look at things that you need to do today. Today we are going to page 44. We are going to do a bit of reading there, as well as a bit of vocabulary as well. So first, read about dogs in a human world. There are a few things that dogs needs to do. Okay, this is words that we are going to focus. Some words that we might not know the meaning, but some of you, of course, you know. Suspicious, sniff, physical disability, as well as rubble. Okay, so dog as food sniffer, treated like a queen. Animal carers. And then doggy detective. So these are jobs of dogs in the world. Okay, if you have done reading it, you need to do D, true or false. Read the articles true about and then do D, and then find the meaning of the adjective here. Try not to use dictionary. Try, because you will find these words, this adjective in text. So you should guess the meaning before reading, before finding it on your dictionary. Okay, so if you have done that, let's look at this vocabulary. In this vocabulary, you should be able to match either what do you call it, verb or adjective plus preposition. Okay, to, with, of, on is a preposition. Preposition. So let me give you an example. In love, agree, and angry, usually we will add with the word with. In love, agree, and angry, we will match it with the preposition with. So in love with, agree with, angry with. Okay, now try to look at the answer for these three types of things. Okay, rely, keen, concentrate. Okay, what kind of preposition should be matched with those words? Jealous, ashamed, and proud. What kind of preposition should be linked with those words? And then listen, similar, and belong. What kind of preposition should be matched with the words? Okay, and then now try to find what is this. In love ni apa? In love ni verb ke adjective? Agree verb ke adjective? Angry verb ke adjective? And then put in this table. Let me give you one example. Agree. Agree is a verb. So this one is agree. Preposition yang tambah dia with. Okay. Let me give you another example for adjective. Adjective here is in love. In love is an adjective. So in love with. Okay, let's look at the last one. Angry. What is angry? Is angry a verb or is angry an adjective? Okay, how to know adjective? Adjective is something that we put before a noun. Before noun. So angry, an angry person. An angry person is an adjective. So this is an adjective. Angry, so angry with. Okay, so try to do it with other words here. Verb is kata kerja. Dia berlaku selepas nama. I agree with you. Okay. So try to do A, do B, and then do C. C, you need to complete the text with some of the words from A. Jadi ambil jawapan daripada A. For example, let me give you example for number 5. Sebab number 5 dah bagi jawapan with. Nampak with kat sini. Sherpa says it's not a good day to climb. Then explorer usually agree with them. So you get the answer from here. Jadi pilih 6 lah daripada sini. And then the last one, do D as well. D, you need to choose a verb or adjective that you get. A verb or adjective that you get from here. Which you get from here as well. Yeah. Adjective, usually we'll put it before a noun. Verb is kata kerja. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you very much, everyone.